What's up, guys? We're here at River Valley, Boyd, Texas. About to watch Bryce, Coulter, Kellen, Cade, and ride. It's gonna be awesome. Y'all stay tuned.
What's going on, guys? We're here at River Valley. I'm gonna ride. Kellen's gonna ride. Caden's gonna ride. He brought the two-stroke for me to shred again. We got some fans out here. Sivo's out here. Joe's out here. And Gavin made the trip all the way from California. He heard that I'm coming for a Supercross title, so he had to come check it out. But yeah, we're gonna go out there and shred, have some fun. Our practice is out there, so I gotta get ready quick. We'll catch up with you guys once I'm geared up and on the bike. 4 weeks away from my first race, and we're riding the dirt bike. Woo!
Feeling good tonight.
I will. This KTM 125 two-stroke is so much fun. It's just fun because the bike's so small and you can just stay in it. I don't know how I look. I probably look like a goon, but I'm giving it a shot. You guys convinced me. Try this thing out. They are pretty sick. I'm done with quads. No more. Stick in the bike. I'm going to try to go pro. I'm going to train every day for it and see where I get to.
So he was hitting the finish line. Guy's right next to him. Guy goes down on the finish line jump right next to Kellen. I'm behind him, and I didn't try to clear the jump because I saw him going slow. Like he wasn't gonna clear it, so I checked up. And sure enough, as soon as I landed, I saw him laying on the ground. I had to lean back and then pop the front wheel up. I wheelied over his bike. Like there was no avoiding him. Like I just had to give her hell and try to ride it out.
That was like the best way through.
That was scary, dude. My butt puckered so tight on that one. Getting real good.
Yeah. I got him! I got him!
You're rolling it down!
Oh, shit, I did.
Weirdos.
Get him next time.
Moto or?
Yeah, that's it for me. I've spun a lot of laps out here Tuesday and then today, but definitely pretty cool today. The track was actually a lot different. There were a lot better riders and a lot lower level riders in the one group, but yeah, I really enjoyed it. I enjoyed riding that little two-stroke. Think I might get a different bike. My bike doesn't seem to handle too well compared to that thing. It's unfortunate, but yeah, just really excited to keep working, keep bringing you guys cool stuff. If you can, like the video, comment on the video, subscribe, and share it with all your buddies. Thank you so much for coming along with us, and we will see you soon. But Jay's here. Got some new suspension on, some shafts that actually have some coating left on them. 2 days till the race. I'm really excited for this one. Had a really good week so far. Just need to test some suspension, test the race stuff, break it in.
I'm trying to understand why there is Carmex on that rock over there.
Yeah, so I think Fred is JL's friend. He says if we ride slow, he'll throw Fred at us. But I'm just seeing that Fred must have some chapped lips. He has Carmex over here. I'm gonna stay away from Fred for today. Look, you might be able to see a staple right there. Look at that.
Dang. Dude, that'll.
You hear me scream out there.
No, it's up top. It's gnarly.
Yeah, if you hear me scream out there, you'll know. Good day for me. It's 5:30. I'm ready to get off this thing. Yeah, I'm ready to get to the race. Tomorrow, go get an adjustment, kick it, hang out, see what the track looks like, get signed up. Qualifying first, feeling pretty confident. Just need a top 5 spot, good gate pick. Then we're gonna let her eat this weekend. But thanks for coming along with us. Make sure to like this video, don't forget that. Comment, and if you want to subscribe, it'd be greatly appreciated. I'm trying my best to bring you guys some cool content, informational stuff.
and yeah, show you what I do. So see you guys soon. Thanks for coming along.